There is one thing that many young people suffer and worry about during their period of puberty. And that is the size of their genitals. It is very wrong to believe that pornographic films are reference to health sex life. Because what you see in those movies is not natural size of the penis. You see people with extra huge size with abnormal penises. These people are intended just to act in those movies, and they have nothing to do with average people. Therefore, it is recommended that you read more about sexual health by browsing trusted sites on the internet or reading sexology books in your local libraries. And not to look at everything from the point of view of the porn industry, which for profit propagates wrong, unnatural, unhealthy values. Make sure to read from reliable scientific sources. Regarding the natural size of the penis, there are two aspects. They are length and diameter. The length is not so important, because in order to sexually arouse your partner, you have to stimulate her clitoris, the female version of the penis. Skene's glands will be stimulated as well during process. Also, stimulation of external parts of the body such as skin and labia will play the major role in arousal. The big penis is not needed in order to reach the G-spot, which is present inside the vagina, but it's very close to the opening. Which means no matter how big your penis is, you will reach it. It is just important to know and remember which position you took in order to reach it. However, the diameter of the penis has a greater role in that. It should be remembered that a woman's body changes after pregnancy or aging. So, a man should be focusing on art of sexual intercourse rather than on anatomy. The normal size of the penis goes from 10 up to 15 centimeters, or from 4 up to 6 inches. And they vary from erectile to flaccid state. Sexual pleasure at women has almost nothing to do with the length of the penis. There are two types of penises, shower and grower. When penis is in its flaccid state, and it looks large, but in erection, doesn't show much difference in size, then is the shower type. When the penis is very small in its flaccid state, but during erection, becomes much larger, then it's the grower type. It is important to remember that the larger part of the penis is in the body. The root of the penis is located in interior of the body, or in the pelvic cavity. That means that your sexual pleasure doesn't depend just on external parts of the penis, but also from internal parts. Internal parts of the penis can be reached by touching the part called perineum. Perineum is a part between the testicles and the anus. This inner part of the penis, or inner part of the erogenous structure, can increase even more your sexual pleasure. Always keep in mind that your penis size is not the only factor in your sexual satisfaction. In some people, the penis length can be less than 7 centimeters during erection. This is the case of micro-penises. In this case, consult your doctor about it. The penis enlargement operation can be done to fix the problem. But it doesn't help in some cases because it can weaken your erection permanently. So avoid doing it for aesthetic reasons. Do it only if the expert believes that there will be no post-operative problems. Everyone probably heard about the products for penis enlargement. Most of these products are not working. And the only one reliable way for penis enlargement is to seek medical advice. Some young people may be dissatisfied with the shape of their penis, especially if it looks bent. It is normal when the penis is curved in any direction, like a banana. The problems is present only if a bend is almost at right angle, because it can affect your sex life. Surgeons should help you in this case. Also be careful with small children, that they do not hit their penises, because such a trauma can cause a permanent change in shape. And the most important of all, don't use pornographic material as instruction to sex life, because it will leave you frustrated and uninformed.